Hi everyone, so today we will study about the Rutherford atomic model. So Rutherford is the first scientist who discovered the atomic model. So first he had discovered that there is a dense part in the nucleus, dense part that is nucleus, dense part that is nucleus. Then there is some empty spaces, empty space. So this is the Rutherford atomic model. So in the atomic model, some dense part is present that is called nucleus, some empty spaces, and electron revolve around the nucleus. So this is the first discovery of the Rutherford model. So how he discovered? For this we should study about the gold foil experiment. So for a gold foil experiment, he first used that the radioactive source. So for this we should study about a figure. So what is gold foil experiment? For this he used to study a radioactive source. Then there is a presence of gold foil sheet, that is positively charged particles is present in gold foil sheet, and there is presence of zinc sulfide substance. Then why he used, that is in radioactive cell he used polonium. He used polonium in lead box. So in polonium, for radioactive source, it is a source of polonium. Why he used polonium? Because it is a source of alpha particle. Source of alpha particle. Source of alpha particle, and alpha is positively charged particles. Positively charged particles. So for this reason he used polonium as a source of alpha particle, that is a positively charged particles. Then why he used lead box? Because lead box absorb most of the alpha particle and it do not help to scatter the alpha particle from the box. So lead box is used as for it to absorb alpha particle. And this is the gold foil sheet. The width of the gold foil sheet is 0.004 centimeter. And why he used ZNS? Because ZNS is the fine substance. When any of the particle falls on the ZNS plate, then it leaves a mark. Then after the experiment we can study about the mark. So when he bombarded the radioactive source, he almost bombarded about 20,000 alpha particle. Then what he observed? The observation. So for observation he sees that most of the particle goes through the gold foil. So the observation is MSM. So that is the observation. So most of the particle goes through the gold sheet. Then some of the particle most of the particle go through. Then some of the particle has some deviation, and then few of the particle goes back to the goes back to the main radioactive source. So from this observation he concluded that most of the spaces in atomic model is empty, and there is a sum of the particle has deviated, that if most of the particle go through the gold foil sheet, that is 19,990, then some of the particle has deviated, we can say it 8, and few of the particle goes back, so that is can be 1. So as most of the particle go through it, so we can say that the most of the spaces in an atomic model is empty, and some of the particle has some deviation, that is the main nucleus is positively charged, that is why there is a some repulsion, that is why the sum of the particle has some deviation, and few of the particle goes back, and this observation concluded that the nucleus is very smaller in size than the atom. So this is the Rutherford atomic model. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.